Give me a couple more. It does the thing you want it to do. All right, you guys, we are back at AMS day 2. We're putting in the downpipes on the Q60. We're actually currently at the point where we're just finishing up, but I realized I hadn't given you guys any sort of an introduction at all yet. However, again, today we're swapping out our downpipes for the AMS downpipes on this car. This is the final step needed for us to get to the RA500 package, so that's where we're finally going to be at, and then we're going to throw this thing on the dyno and we're going to finally get this thing tuned to its current potential. So there we go, guys. Let's jump into it. This installation is hard to show on camera because it's a lot of digging around in tight places that you can't really see. So let's jump into it. No man now. Diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the number, that's a lot of crime. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind. Lot of sun. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine. Pockets running over with the dollar sign. Try to take it. All right, you guys, so we just finished the downpipe installation. Well, Ben just finished the downpipe installation. I didn't do anything. Finally gonna hear how the car sounds with the new downpipes. Now, mind you guys, we do have our stock catback on the car still. There is a new catback waiting for us at the shop. We're gonna get this thing down from the lift. We're gonna start it up, and then we're gonna bring it into the dyno room. I can't wait to hear how this thing sounds. It should be finally a little bit louder than it was before. So let's start it up. Very, very subtly different. Subtly. I mean, there's obviously still a stock catback, but it does have a little bit of a lower tone. I'm excited to hear what this sounds like when it's obviously just amplified. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a couple revs, and we might see if it sounds any different. I just might wait till we get Ben's head out of the engine bay before I start doing that, but we'll hear how it sounds here a little bit better. Yeah, we tried to do some revs, but we're gonna need to do some tuning first because it's not gonna let us do any revs at the moment with the changes we've made. So, gonna get this thing on the dyno rollers and get it tuned, and then we will be able to show you a little bit more about how it sounds. So, super excited for this part. I mean, in all seriousness, with what I've learned about these cars is that the sauce is a lot of it is obviously having the right engineered parts that flow properly and can support your build from cooling and from a fueling standpoint. But then obviously the secret sauce is definitely in these guys' ability to tune them and optimize these engines for the ultimate performance. And that's really the recipe that these guys have down with these cars, is an easy, proven way to make some good horsepower with your Q60 or your Q50. So we're just making sure, doing some quality checks here, making sure nothing's leaking, nothing like that. And then, like I said, getting it on the rollers, and we're gonna sizzle up some power.
Gonna make some jam.
That's what the kids are saying these days. So here we go. All right, you guys, so the car just got done being tuned on the dyno. We've got a 91 tune and an E85 tune. On 91, and I took a photo of the dyno graph, so we're gonna put that up here, but on 91, the car ended up making 420 wheel horsepower, 492 foot-pounds of torque. On E85, we ended up making 476 wheel horsepower and 515 foot-pounds of torque. So this thing is making all the power right now that we wanted to make on this package. And now there's really only one thing left to do. Is that right, Leo?
That's right. It's time to go rip this thing and see what it's all about.
All right, so we're gonna get this thing a quick wash, go outside. We're probably gonna light up some rear-wheel drive tires here in a minute, and we'll let you guys know what the first reaction is to this car making the power that we had sought out for it to make this entire time. So, Leo, I'm gonna let you do the honors.
Oh man, I'm excited. I cannot wait.
This is what he does best, folks. Give me a couple more.
Just carving out the sunlight.
Oh yeah.
All right, first ride in the Q60 with everything now tuned and installed. So far, Leo, how ready are you to romp on it?
Oh, I'm so ready. I'm so excited. I bet the car is going to feel completely different. I'm ecstatic, to say the least.
Watch out for that pothole. We're also still stupid slammed, so we got to make sure we drive very carefully through these parking lot potholes.
This thing hauls. It's awesome. It's super responsive. The throttle response is impeccable. I mean, here, we'll give her a little go. Yeah, I mean, she goes.
It does the thing you want it to do. That's for damn sure.
Oh, man. Yeah, for our sake, we should probably turn traction control on. Ooh! Yeah, this thing moves.
It does the thing you want it to do. Now I gotta get out of here. Come back, Leo.
So I think the thing that really gets me with this kit is that the car is making nearly 500 wheel horsepower and it drives like a factory car until you don't want it to. You push the gas and it becomes this absolute animal. I mean, it's just amazing.
I mean, seriously, for the all-wheel drive guys, it'll be a little bit different, but for the rear-wheel drive guys, this is going to be a setup that you want to rip just a heater at every stop sign you get to, and it's super confidence inspiring because it's also pretty manageable, like, again, from like a daily drivability standpoint. So 10 out of 10 recommend this kit without a shadow of a doubt.
Yeah, I'm blown away. I mean, the fact that you have a car that's covered in leather on the inside, has an awesome sound system, and with little to no modifications and a tune, you're able to make almost 500 wheel horsepower, and it is absolutely a blast to drive. I mean, it's everything you want and then some. I'm just shook, to say the least.
All right, you guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for our time down here at AMS. The car is washed up, ready to go, ready to run it down the road for the 6-hour drive from Chicago to Minneapolis. So safe to say this thing will probably need another wash by the time we get back. But if you guys are interested in any of the parts that we installed while we were here at AMS, go ahead and check that link down in the description below. Take you over to our site, MAPerformance.com, home of the MAP guarantee, which you guys already know. And we'll go see you there. Hopefully you guys call in, talk to Leo, talk to some of his staff, 188 MAPerformance. And that's where this thing's gonna sit for today. We'll catch up with you guys in the next video. Until next time, peace.